The winner of the ABC School Blood Drive Award is Cottage Grove High School, nominated by Lane Memorial Blood Bank. For more than 30 years, Cottage Grove High School has demonstrated a commitment to blood donation by partnering with Lane Memorial Blood Bank. From student and faculty volunteers urging participation to Principal Don Pollard dressed in a blood drop costume, Cottage Grove's blood drives for the past year resulted in nearly 300 students registering and the collection of more than 200 units with almost 80 first-time donors. Despite its size, Cottage Grove is consistently Lane Memorial Blood Bank's highest producing school. This year's ABC Media of the Year Award winner is Clear Channel New Orleans Baton Rouge, nominated by the Blood Center. Thanks in large part to a generous in-kind donation from Clear Channel Radio, the Blood Center avoided a post-holiday slowdown during the month of January. Launching a blood donor awareness initiative geared toward public education on the need for regular blood donors, Clear Channel Radio provided $600,000 in donated media. A similar campaign launched in July, with over 3,000 radio spots airing on their network of 23 radio stations and streaming online sites. Clear Channel's donated media contribution totaled more than $1 million for both campaigns and will continue during the upcoming year. The winner of the ABC Corporation of the Year Award is Greenberg Smoked Turkeys, nominated by Carter Blood Care. Greenberg Smoked Turkeys has been a blood donation advocate for the past 4 years. Led by owner Sam Greenberg, this partnership with Carter Blood Care has provided a holiday boost to the blood supply in East Texas, with Greenberg Smoked Turkeys donating close to 4,000 of their famous smoked turkeys to donors. This past year's drive resulted in the collection of nearly 1,200 units in 2 days and a 70% increase over the previous year, as Mr. Greenberg always finds a way to incorporate the importance of blood donation into all interviews, while encouraging other businesses to follow his lead. This year's Larry Frederick Award winner is Bob Wise, nominated by Florida Blood Services. A 44-gallon blood donor, Bob Wise volunteers to help educate the community on the importance of blood donation. Throughout the Tampa Bay area, he is always recruiting blood donors and assisting Florida Blood Services in scheduling regular blood drives at all Verizon facilities, resulting in the collection of nearly 1,000 units this past year. His unwavering commitment is further exemplified by his participation in events across America and South Africa to support blood donation, including the 5 Points of Life bicycle ride, in which participants ride across the country, encouraging individuals to make a commitment to start saving lives by donating blood or becoming an organ donor. The National Humanitarian Service Award winner is Phyllis Shires, nominated by Nebraska Community Blood Bank. A regular volunteer at Nebraska Community Blood Bank's blood drives and events, Phyllis Shires' dedication is truly unique. She has logged more than 1,000 hours lending a helping hand when needed during her 6 years of service. From blood pressure checks at local health fairs to producing collateral materials for donors, her positive spirit never ceases to amaze and resonates with staff and donors alike. The joy she finds in serving the community is an inspiration to all, as well as her commitment to ensuring that blood is available for all those in need. The Thomas F. Zook winner is Dr. Francine Decary, nominated by Emma Quebec. Emma Quebec President and CEO, Dr. Francine Decary, has dedicated her professional life to transfusion medicine and services. As she prepares to enjoy a well-deserved retirement, her contributions to this industry and commitment to blood system safety and transfusion research and development have been demonstrated both nationally and internationally. A researcher by training and vocation, Dr. Decary remains an ambassador for the cause of blood donation and instrumental in Emma Quebec's growth and success with innovative technologies and methods that ensure improved management of the blood supply. This year's ABC President's Awards presented by Hemomedics are presented to Kathy Bryan, David Perez, and Dr. Louis Rossiter. These three individuals helped ensure that hospitals would receive the appropriate reimbursement needed in real time for new blood safety measures, as blood costs expanded faster than the rate of medical inflation. Their extraordinary effort and patience were integral to accurate reimbursement and led the way on this major accomplishment. A close advisor to America's blood centers for many years and nationally recognized healthcare economist, Dr. Rossiter's advice on reimbursement was always realistic and proved to be exactly right. While Blood Bank of the Redwood CEO Kathy Bryan helped formulate and execute America's Blood Center's successful legislative strategy on reimbursement. Caridian BCT President and CEO David Perez proved to be a tremendous champion of America's blood centers and made the issue of reimbursement one of the highest priorities of blood center suppliers. He single-handedly secured sponsorship of dozens of local conferences to help hospitals improve billing for the blood components that their patients use. America's Blood Centers salutes all of the 2009 Awards of Excellence winners.